Pork
There's more.
chops. Yeah.
Rib eye chops.
Yeah.
So this is pork.
This is for pork steak.
For pork steak.
Yeah.
So 2 dishes for today.
Yes.
Alright. More food. That's for me visiting here in Tyler.
Yes.
Yay! Then afterwards we will. There's another onion.
Yeah.
That's for the.
Hindi ka na ipapakita yung face.
Yung ano ito, Cheng? You go.
What, ma?
Yung
pork
pork chop. So this is pork chop also. Marinated in
teriyaki sauce.
teriyaki sauce.
With pepper. Powdered garlic.
Powdered garlic.
And then calamansi.
Then calamansi. The Philippine lemon. Tinatawag namin Philippine citrus. Hindi ko namin yung pangalan dun sa camping. Yung calamansi, sinabi namin Philippine citrus. Wala naman magko-correct sa YouTube. Wala nagreklamo dun yung sinabi namin. It's all good. Sabi namin. It's fun or not, it's fun. Yay, another recipe by Cheng. Ano na yung name ng isang yung chicken? Sinawag yung chicken something. Chenudo. Last night it was chenudo, chicken dish.
Today is pork steak.
Today is pork steak for lunch again. Hey, I'm already been here 2 days. Nakakaya na dito stay. Overstay na ako. Dapat pala mag-camping na ako mamaya.
Meron ba dito?
Okay, we'll just let it cook. This is the marinade. Teriyaki sauce, black pepper, soy sauce, and garlic powder. Meron pa? What else? Yung calamansi powder. So with calamansi powder, no squeeze, no mess. So you just dissolve it in water, and that's the marinade for the pork steak. Alright, and then later onion and the marinated sauce will cook it after you fry it. And then afterwards, just flip it. And what do we call this dish? Pork steak in teriyaki sauce. That's it. Okay, cook for a few more minutes. This is the sauce to cook it more thoroughly and the flavor to be absorbed. And then add a little bit water to simmer it to continue cooking. Yay!
Kanino ba tinapay din yan?
Dito meron pa 3 hours pa. Hindi ano lang yata, nag-error lang. Okay, the next one is put the onions on top. So it's like ano may sa atin, bistek. Bistek. It's like a bistek Pinoy but it's pork. And it's teriyaki.
Onion.
Kasi bistek, hindi ba ano yun? Vinegar. Ito hindi. So this is a teriyaki steak pork with onions.
My version.
Version of Cheng. Alright, so
Simmer.
just simmer for a few more minutes.
Gagaling na
To
ako.
cook the onion.
To cook the onion.
Gagaling na siguro sa farm. Ronald Cheng. Okay, kick, Lola. Okay, kick.
Taste it.
Yung file, ipapile niya ba yung mga, di ba, nagbagsak ng mga dahon. Kinakalagay ko, may file mo. Don't do that, Lola. I will kick it.
Sisipay.
Kick na, kick.
Yung pile of leaves. Alright, it's cooked.
So yan, tubig.
Hindi, okay lang naman. So we'll try to taste. Oh, it's already very tender. Very tender pork with sauce, teriyaki sauce, and onions. And it's still hot. And it's recipe by Cheng. It's hot, but it tastes very good. Fun or not, it's fun. Thanks for watching.